Then, pasabi ko may nakikita na. May nakikita na kayo?
Meron na po, sir.
Meron na, sir.
Okay, after I discuss the topic about Module 4 Week 4 Third Quarter, may send ako sa inyong link ng Google Form. Doon na kayo magsasagot. Kapag nagsagot na kayo sa Google Form, no need to answer those exercises or activities na nasa module. Again, kapag nagsagot na kayo dito, hindi na kayo kahit hindi na kayo magsagot sa module. Isisend ko mamaya yung link after kong mag-discuss. And also, i-announce ko yung grades ng mga nandito. Kayong 8. So, ang laman kasi ng Google Form, same lang nung ginawa ko last time, 30 points. So, may definitions doon, true or false, then multiple choice. Tapos, meron kayong isi-select. Okay, start na tayo. Our topic today is all about triangle congruence postulate. So, the 3 triangle congruence postulates are, tandaan nyo to the SSS, the SAS, and the ASA. So, dito muna tayo sa let's understand. Let's understand, tandaan na, kasama to sa Google Form. Yung true or false. In a triangle, may tinatawag daw tayong included side saka included angle. Okay. Included side of a triangle is a side between 2 given angles. Ibig sabihin nun, kapag may given 2 angles ka daw, let's say ito, angle M and angle U, meron daw sila dyan included side. Ang tinutukoy dyan na included side, anong side yung connected sa dalawang angle? Na kung saan, ang connected na side dyan sa dalawang angles na angle M and angle U is the side MU. Ito. So, the included side of angle M and angle U is side MU. That's the included side. Kasi, connected yung dalawang angle sa side na yan. Next. Pwede rin hanapin natin yung included side ng angle M and angle D. Yan. The included side of angle M and angle D is MD. Ayan, no? The side MD. Tandaan na, kung saan connected yung dalawang angles sa isang side, that's the included side. Or pinagitnaan ng dalawang angle. Mas magandang sabihin natin yung pinagitnaan ng dalawang angle. That's the included side. Next naman. Included angle is an angle formed by 2 sides with a common endpoint. Parang sabihin na natin, let's say we have angle. Ito. Angle. Sorry. Nadulas. So, let's say it's A. Angle A, B, and C. Since sinabi nating angle yan, dapat may arrow to. Yan. Let's say we have the angle A and angle B. Or angle ABC. Hanapin daw natin yung included angle dito. The included angle here is the angle B. Why, Sir TJ? Kasi ang side niyan, ayan o, formed by 2 sides. Ayan. The 2 sides are side AB, pwede natin kunin yan. Or line segment AB, kapag angle, pwede natin makuha yung segment na yan. And the line segment BC. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, kapag sa triangle, may kita natin yung included angle between 2 sides of the given triangle. So, let's say we have a triangle MUD. We need to find the included side. Pagawin natin yung kulay. Included angle. Let's say we have the side MD. Ayan. Side MD and side MU. Ano yung included angle nila? Ano yung nasa gitna ng dalawang side? Anong angle ang nasa gitna ng dalawang side? Sino mga kasagot?
Angle M po.
Yun, si angle M. So therefore, si angle M yung included angle. Ayan, no? Kapag may given triangles, pag may given triangle tayo, tandaan, makakita tayo dyan ng 3 included sides and 3 included angle. Why, Sir TJ? Kasi nga, the triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. So dito, hanapin pa natin yung nawawalang isa. Let's say ito. What is the included side of angle D? Angle D and angle, ano ba nawawala? Ay, binigyan na pala natin. Ayan, no? May side MU na tayo. Side MU, side MD, and side UD. That's the included side. Dito naman, ang included angle na nawawala is si angle U. Ito. So therefore, the given two sides are the side MU and the side DF. Itong dalawa na to, lalabas yan sa Google Form. Tandaan yan na binigyan ko na kayo ng points. So, remember the included side and the included angle. Next. So, proceed na tayo sa triangle congruence postulate. We have 3 triangles postulate. The SSS or side postulate. The first one, which is, sabihin nun, if 3 sides of a one triangle are congruent, the corresponding sides of the another triangle, then the 2 triangles are congruent. So, dito tayo sa example. Yan. Ibig sabihin daw noon, kapag may given ka na 3 sides of 2 triangles are congruent, automatic, your 2 triangles are congruent. And remember, if the 2 triangles are congruent, kung naalala nyo pa yung CPCTC, the corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Ibig sabihin nun, lahat ng remaining parts na meron sa triangle na yon are also congruent. So sinabi daw dito, side CU is congruent to side BE. Ito, side CU is congruent to side BA na may pareha silang marking na isa. Sinabi daw na congruent daw to. And also if side UT is congruent to side AR, which is UT, the corresponding parts or side niyan sa isang triangle ay si side AR. 2 markings din yan. Tandaan ang pagmamark ka kasi may purpose yan. And next, so side CT is congruent to side BR. Kapag nakita nyo daw by using the SSS postulate, may ganito kang markings na nakita. Ibig sabihin daw niyan, the 2 triangles are congruent. Yan. If the 2 triangles are congruent, the corresponding parts of congruent triangles are also congruent. Ano daw ibig sabihin nun? So therefore, baguhin natin yung markings. Therefore, si angle C, maaaring congruent siya saan?
Angle B.
Angle B po.
Angle B po.
Angle B, yes. If you remember yung ginawa natin last time sa markings natin, pinagitnaan si angle C and angle B with marking 1 and marking 3. 1 and 3. That's why these 2 angles are congruent. Hindi siya pwedeng lumayo kasi this is the included angle of 2 sides na kung saan congruent. Yan ang purpose ng included angle, included sides. Para malaman mo kung sino pa yung mga corresponding parts ng mga congruent triangles na kung saan congruent din. Next, si angle U, saan congruent?
Kay angle A.
Angle A po.
Angle A. Madali lang siyang makita, di ba? Kasi, paano yung madali makita, Sir TJ? Because of the using these markings. Kahit baliktarin natin yung position natin na nito or i-rotate natin yan, i-rotate mo man lang yung triangle mo. Imagine nyo, ni-rotate nyo yan. Pero yung mga markings hindi nagbago. Ibig sabihin, kahit i-rotate mo tong triangle na to, same pa rin na magiging congruent parts ng triangle. Therefore, the angle T is congruent to angle R. Yan. So, yun ang gamit ng postulate na SSS postulate. Kapag may nakita ka lang na 3 sides are congruent, therefore, the 2 triangles are congruent. And the corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Sabihin nun, lahat ng parts ng triangle are congruent dahil using the SSS postulates. Next is the SAS. Pag sinabi nating SAS, side, angle, side postulate. Tandaan, ang included angle, may included angle sila. Ibig sabihin nun, dapat nasa gitna yung angle. Hindi pwede yung S, S, A. Yan, kasi magkaiba ang SAS sa SSA. Tandaan, ang SAS ay postulate. Yung SSA, theorem yan. May didiscuss yan natin later on. And also, iba rin siya sa ASS. Yan. Kung saan nauuna yung angle. So, to say that daw, ibig sabihin ng SAS, to say that the two triangles are congruent, remember, the included angle is also congruent to the corresponding parts. So, kailangan may makita ka dyan na congruent sides na dalawa at saka congruent angle. But the angle should be between of the two sides. Ito yon. So, in this example, we have triangle FLI and triangle BIM. May given daw tayo na these three conditions. If side FL is congruent to BI, which is my one marking, ayan, side yan. Susulatan mo dapat yan ng side or S. Yan. Meron na kagad. And angle L is congruent to angle I. Ito yon. Yan. Congruent daw. So, A na yan. And also the side YL. Ito. From to the left yung pagbasa. YL is congruent to MI. May two markings. Yan. Tandaan na, if you remember, LY is not congruent to MI. Naalala nyo yun? LY is not congruent to MI according to the theorem. Kailangan, kung binasa mo siya ng from this point to the right, dapat, basahin mo dapat yung given corresponding parts from this point to the right. That's why side LY is congruent to side IM. If you're talking about the measurement of the triangle, pwede silang mag-equal, pero they're not congruent. Okay, therefore, the triangles, the two triangles are congruent by using SAS. Pero kapag nakita nyo na dito yung angle na congruent, tapos sinabi lang muna, ito, hindi pa natin pwedeng masabi na these two triangles are congruent. Gagamitan natin ng theorem yun. By the way, ang pinagkaiba ng postulate and theorem, postulate, keywords na lang natin kagad, no need to prove, yun na yun. Pag theorem, once you set theorem, these are the statements na kailangan nating to prove to say that a given statement is valid or proven. Valid or proven. Sometimes kasi may mga theorem na hindi siya nagiging valid depende sa paggamit ng mga supporting details. Okay. The last one is ASA or angle side angle. Meron silang included side. Means we have two given angles here. Tapos between of that angles, or between of the two angles is a side. Yan. So may kita kagad natin sa given. Ito yung angle, side, angle. Madali lang yung module na to kasi paano ko nasabing madali? May given na kagad na mga congruent parts. And also, may given na kagad na two figures na kung saan pinapakita kung ano yung mga congruent. Again, magkaiba yung ASA sa AAS. Baka kasi may mabasa kayo dyan na sa book or sa internet ang mga ganito. AAS or SAA. Yan. They are theorems. Yan. Okay. Balik tayo sa number 2. Sinabi natin the two triangles are congruent. Tama? What can you say about the corresponding parts of the other parts of two triangles? Are they congruent? Yes or no?
Yes po, sir.
Yes, are they congruent? Kasi tandaan nyo lagi yan ha. Tandaan nyo to lagi. Kapag na-conclude natin, ang two triangles are congruent, therefore, by using CPCTC, the corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. It means, yung the remaining parts of the triangle na hindi mo nasabing congruent, ay congruent na. Kasi you prove that the two triangles are congruent. Tandaan nyo yan ang purpose ng CPCTC. Dapat mapatunayan mo muna na two triangles are congruent. To say that they are CPCTC means lahat na ng parts ng triangles are congruent. Magagamit nyo yung idea na yan kapag ka-grade 9 nyo. Kasi sa grade 9, level up yung pagpuprove nyo. Okay. And also here, sa example number 3, therefore, the remaining parts of these two triangles are also congruent by using CPCTC. Okay. Let's try to answer the let's apply. By the way, these three definitions or postulate, kasama din po yan sa link ng Google Form na isasend ko. Tandaan nyo na. Okay. Hide ko muna. Let's try to answer the let's apply, let's analyze, and let's try. Yan. Okay. Let's analyze. Identify the additional information needed to prove that the pair of triangles are congruent by the given postulate. Ibig sabihin lang nun, by using markings. Yung 1 to 6 na to. 1 to 6 lang ba to? 1 to 9. Yan. Ibig sabihin by using markings, para masabi mo, you can prove that these two triangles are congruent. Example number 1. By using SSS. Yan. Okay. So therefore, side, side, side postulate. Dito sinabi natin, the side MP is congruent to side CB. Tama?
Tama po, sir.
And also, the side PR is congruent to side B8. Yan. Para masabi nating SSS yan, ano pang parts ang dapat na congruent?
Side AC and side MR po.
Side
IRM po.
AC. Tignan nyo yung A mo may 2 markings yan. So therefore, dapat mag-start ka rin dito sa 2 markings. So therefore, side AC is congruent to side, ano yan?
RM.
RM. Yun, correct. So congruent, RM. Yan. So ilang markings ang ilalagay ko?
Tatlo po.
3 po.
Tatlo. Pero pwede bang isa yan? Yes or no?
No po.
No po.
Pwede. Bakit, Sir TJ? Magkaiba yung kulay ng markings. Naalala niyo sinabi ko sa inyo? You can use line 1, 2, 3 or 3 different colors. Ibig sabihin lang yan, I have one marking na red. Ang congruent parts niya lang yung red. Ito kasi black. Therefore, ito yung kagugongruent niya. Naalala niyo yun na pwede kayong gumamit ng tatlong magkaibang kulay para ma-distinguish yung mga congruent parts? So, pwedeng isa basta magkaiba ng kulay. Gagamit ka lang ng 3 markings, na 3 different markings kapag ginamit mong kulay ay parehas. So, pwede yan. Now, next tayo dito, SAS. Naintindihan niyo yan?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, side, angle, side. So, ang given dito is, meron na tayong isa. The side AB is congruent to side BN or side NB.
Side NB po, sir.
Okay, correct. Side NB. Tapos, ayan. Hanapin natin tong dalawa na to. Ayan. Para masabi natin SAS. What do you think? What can you say about this angle? Congruent or not?
Congruent po.
Yes, congruent. By what theorem? Kung naalala nyo yun, yung ganito, if you have 2 lines, intersect at one point, anong tawag dito? Start from letter V. 2 words start from letter V, and second word is A. Anong tawag? Grade 7.
Vertex angle po.
Vertical angle, sir.
Yes, very good. Vertical angles. Tinuro to sa inyo ng grade 7, tama? Vertical angles, the two opposite angles are congruent. Kung ito congruent, therefore, these two angles are also congruent. Yan. So vertical angles. By using vertical angles, we can say that these two angles are congruent. So meron tayong, hindi pwede nating sabing angle B is congruent to angle D kasi lahat ng angles na nandito, si B yan. So kailangan, 3 distinguish point ang gagamitin natin. So therefore, angle ABT. Kaninong congruent si angle ABT?
Angle
NBS
SBN po.
Angle SBN po.
Kay N? NBS or
Angle
SBN?
NBS po.
NBS. Kasi nag-start ako sa A papuntang 1 marking papunta kay B. So ibig sabihin, N papunta sa 1 marking. So ABT is congruent to NBS. So meron na tayong angle. So ano pa yung nawawala? Isang side. Sino makakahanap ng isang side to say that these two triangles are congruent? Anong side yon? Anong side ang... Yes?
Side TB and side SB po, sir.
Very good. The side TB is congruent to side SB. Ayan. Kasi meron tayong side, angle, side. So therefore, tama, pinagitnaan yung angle. So meron tayong SAS. So therefore, these two triangles, nakikita nyo ba yung dalawang triangle na tinutukoy ko? These two triangles are congruent. Ayan. Next, number 3. ASA. Yan. Paano natin ma-prove yan? These two triangles are congruent. So by using ASA. So ibig sabihin dapat nasa gitna yung side. Okay, eto na. Isang angle, these angles are congruent. So hanapin naman natin yung side. Ayan. Sa tingin nyo, pag hiniwalay natin tong dalawang triangle, tama? Ang itsura niya parang ganito. Yan, ito yan. Di ba? Yan yan. Tama po ba?
Opo,
Ano
sir.
masasabi niyo dito
Yes,
sa
po.
sides na to? Ayan.
Congruent po sila, sir.
Yes, very good. Therefore, they are congruent. So ito kasi nga, by using reflexive property of equality, since parang you draw a diagonal in the given quadrilateral, pag pinaghiwalay mo yan, may equal measurement tong sides na to. So therefore, may side na tayo. Tama? The side NM is congruent to side MN. Yun na yun. So meron na tayong A and S. So angle na lang. Anong dapat sabihin natin na dapat congruent angle? Yung angle L ba at angle K? Or this angle? Yan. Yung NM ba or yung KL?
Yung NM po, sir.
NM po.
The angle KNM is congruent to LMN. So meron na tayong asa. Yan. So ganyan lang paghanap nung nawawalang part. So say that they are SSS, SAS, ASA. So kayo nang bahala dito sa 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Madali lang yan. Ito by using reflexive. Reflexive. Ito yung triangle na tinutukoy dyan. Ito, saka to. By using SAS. Side, angle. So ito na yung side automatic. Tama? Yan. Proceed tayo sa isa pa. Yung lalabas saan? Ayun lang pala yun. Ay, ito na sa taas. Let's apply. Okay, let's apply. Yan. Based on tick marking, state the postulate that can be used to conclude that triangles are congruent. So, ibig sabihin ito naman, by using the markings, kailangan alamin natin is either SSS, SAS, or ASA itong ginagamit. or pwede natin gamitin. Tingin tayo sa number 1. Mayroong 1 marking dito. Ano to? Side or angle?
Side po, sir.
Side.
po,
Hanapin
sir.
natin yung partner niyan. Ito, di ba? Yan. Next, ito. Side or angle?
Side po.
Angle.
Ito, to.
Ay, angle po,
Angle
sir.
po.
Angle. Yan. And last one, ito ay
Side.
Side.
po.
Yung angle ba ay included angle ng two sides? Ibig sabihin, nasa gitna ng two sides?
Yes po, sir.
Yes. So therefore, ang gamitin natin ditong postulate ay SAS.
Side angle.
Angle, side. Ganyan lang siya. Yan yung sagot. Yan. Sa Google form, ang nakalagay doon, aalamin nyo kung ganito lang din yun. Aalamin nyo kung anong postulate ang pwedeng gagamitin or pwedeng magamit. Dito sa number 2, ano sa tingin nyo? Meron tayong S. Basta markings na to, S kagad. Tama, di ba? Saka ito S. Pero walang pinakita na two angles are congruent. Only the sides. So therefore, meron diyang sides na congruent. Asan yung side na yan?
Yung hati po sa gitna.
Yung nasa gitna po, sir.
Yung nasa gitna po.
Yung diagonals. Tama? Yan. So therefore, these two sides, these two triangles are congruent by
Side.
SSS po.
SSS. Yan. Number 3. Ayan. May angle. Ito, angle yan, di ba? So, A. And may side. So, ibig sabihin, hanapin na lang natin is either S for SAS or A for angle or ASA postulate. Ngayon, hindi sinabi dito na these two sides are congruent, so hindi na pwede si SAS. Pero, in this illustration, the two angles daw are congruent. By what? Yung sinabi ko kanina. Ito by ano?
Vertical angle po.
Vertical angle po.
Yes, vertical angle. So ito. So yan. These two angles are congruent by vertical angle theorem. So this is A. So meron tayong ASA. Tama?
Opo.
ASA. Kasi
Apa.
included side with two angles. Yan. Try natin yung number 5. What do you think? Ano yung pwedeng magamit dito? Ito daw si angle A, pinakita na congruent kay angle B. And angle C is congruent to angle F. And angle E is congruent to angle B. And also, pinakita rin dito sa two triangles na to, these sides is congruent to angle side EF. And also, the side DF is congruent to side AF. And side AB is congruent to side DE. So, anong pwede dito sa number 5? What do you think? ASA, SAS, or SSS? Ano sa tingin nyo pwede? Ano? Anong sa tingin nyo pwede? Leo, anong sagot? Ang pwede ay? Anong pwede? Choppy ba ako? Hello?
All po.
All
Kala ko
po.
nawala na ako. All. So lahat yan pwede. Kasi meron tayong side, 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 angle, side, and angle, side, angle. So ibig sabihin yan, in number 5, pwede. Pwede yan. Pwede lahat ang postulate to say that these two triangles are congruent. So ganyan lang. So may laman ng Google form nyo, true or false identifications, kung ano yung SAS, ano yung SSS, or ano yung ASA. Ganun lang may laman. Balikan natin tong let's try. Yung let's try, wala to sa Google form. Hindi ko nilagay. Hanapin daw natin sa let's try letter A. Name the included angle between the pair of the sides. Okay. Side AE, ito yon. And side ED. Yan. Ano included angle nila? Ano na sa gitna ng
Angle
dalawang
AED po.
Angle A po.
angle?
E po.
AED. Hindi pwedeng angle E kasi si angle E is connected sa lahat ng triangles. Yan, angle AED. Yan. Bibigay ko na kagad sa inyo yung shortcut to answer this number. Okay. Sa number 2, ano yung magkaparehas na point? Tignan nyo, ano magkaparehas na
A
letter
po.
sa number 2? Angle
A po.
A, tama? So therefore, angle A yung included angle nila. Tapos isusulat mo na lang yung remaining point na kung saan si B at saka si A. Dito si B, dito si E. Ganyan lang. Ayan. Number 3, anong gitna?
Letter
Miss, ano
E po.
parehas? E.
E.
Tapos, isulat mo lang yung dalawang remaining points sa kanya to name the given angle. Na kung saan si C, saka si D. Ayan. So, ganun lang yon. Same procedure lang din dito. Sa name included side between the pair of angle. Madali lang. Sa angle 1 to 4, ayan, madali lang kunin yan. Okay. Let's say ito yung angle A, buong buo ha. Ayan, yung pinakabuo. Angle A, and ito yung angle D. Ano included side nila? Ito,
Side AD po.
AD. So, ibig sabihin, parang kinuha ko lang to, oh. Si A, D. So, side, AD. Ganun lang. Kinuha ko lang yung name ng angle. AD. Yan. Next. Ito. Sa number 2, anong side?
Side BC po.
Side BC or side CB, pwede yon. Sa number 5, tignan natin yung 5 to 10. Paano natin kaya makukuha yung included side niya? Sinong makakasagot? Tignan nyo ha. Nakuha ko yung sagot dito sa 1 to 4 by the name of the angle, AD. So therefore, pangalan lang din ng angle sa number 5 to 10. Ano kang side to? Ano na sa gitna? D, tama? Ano na sa gitna? E.
E
So therefore, side DE. Ganun lang. Side DE. Sa number 6, anong sagot?
Side
Side
BE po.
Okay, side DE. Sa number 7,
Side AE po.
Side AE po.
side AE. Yan. Kumbaga, ito yung gitna. Yung gitna lang, kinuha natin. Ayan. Kaya meron tayong side AE. Yan. Ganyan lang siya. Ganyan lang siya kadali. Tanong? May tanong?
Wala naman po.
Wala po, sir.
Wala po, sir.
Wala naman.